Hello and welcome to morphing with the two-point morphing with the MQR. This is a fairly low-budget video, so I'm afraid you're just going to have to imagine what the sewing machine's doing. Okay, we'll start with our old friend Teddy Love here. So we go Edit. I'm covering the basics here and the morphing, and we'll do a two-point proportional morph here. Now, unlike the other morphing, you'll see that the start and end points are labeled P and R. So you can think of point P as where you pin that pattern point. And it will also be the pivot, because point R will be for rotation and rubber banding. So you can spin it around the pivot, and you can stretch or shrink it back and forth with the rubber band. So I've already got the sewing machine at a reasonable place, so I've just pinned the pattern. So this is just like jogging. If you hopefully can see the faint yellow arrows, just like teach mode, that is a jog screen. So I'm going to jog down and to the right a small amount, and then hit my R, and it jumps back to the first point, morphs the pattern, and we see that Teddy is now tilted down and to the right and shrunk considerably because I didn't move it much. And we'll cancel that. We'll reload him. If I can find him. Here we go. And start from scratch. Edit. Morph. Two-point proportional. And this time I'm going to go up and to the left. And you'll see something interesting that happens here, because I went to the left and it's spinning around that pivot point. Teddy is now upside down. So you think about that a little bit. I think you'll find it makes sense. Okay, that covers the basics for proportional morphing. We'll move on to video number 2 and fixed height. So, see you next video.